Welcome back, ladies and gents. So today we are going to do something a little different. I thought it would be fun, and hopefully you do as well. As you know, this channel is all about teaching all of you about higher quality shoes, spending your money, and investing in things that are a little nicer, that are going to last you the long haul. And as well, by doing that, you're also able to have those shoes repaired, and again, you're able to hold on to those for years and years down the road. So one of the things that I thought we would do today is go over a lot of the packages that you folks have been sending in to us. We cannot thank you enough. And by doing that, I think it'll just be fun because it'll show you what each of you are wanting on your shoes. And as well, it'll teach a lot of folks out there that don't know a lot about different brands of shoes and what you can do to them. I think it'll be very informative as well. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started on opening the packages that you guys and ladies have sent to us. Heath, what do we have first?
It's like Christmas.
It is like Christmas.
This one is Nebraska.
All right. Those 1,000 miles?
Got some
1,000 miles. I'm a 1,000-mile fan. I've got some myself.
Want some Daynight studded soles. So y'all must love these Daynights because we've been getting a lot of those. And yeah.
So right now it looks like he's got a half sole on there with a half rubber sole. It looks like it's been done before, man.
No, this is
is that the original?
Yep, that's the original.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's pretty much, this is all rubber, except for, usually it's kind of a transition, it's all leather, and then there's a little bit of rubber, but this one is actually rubber all the way through, and then they just put a little decorative strip of leather so they can stamp their logo on there.
That's cool.
But so, I mean, he's going from rubber to rubber. He just likes the Daynight.
And orange thread on the bottom, which is cool. Adds a little pop of color, and fun. Stacked leather blocks. I believe Wolverine has stacked leather blocks, so if that's the case, we'll keep those. We'll refund that money back to you for the stacked blocks. Yeah. But we'll double check.
It's always better if you don't know about the blocks and whether you can do it or not. Just go ahead and get them, and if we can use your blocks because you've already got them, then we just refund it back. But it's always best is to cover your base.
All right, next package. This one is from Illinois.
Yes. Somebody's got kids.
All right. So this is a pair of Florsheim Imperials. Very nice. And this gentleman is wanting Daynight soles. He wants the midsole and the heel block to be natural in color. These have been painted black, so we will keep those the natural color, and he wants stacked leather blocks if they're not already. So yeah, like the other shoes, we'll double check, and if those are not, we'll put the stacked leather blocks on there for you. But, very nice.
Yeah. Wisconsin. Wisconsin with a German name. We got some Allen Edmonds, and what are we doing with these things? Going with combination heels this time. We're just going to put some new leather soles on these.
What type of leather sole they want?
Just standard.
All right.
Just
so
standard.
The house leather soles and the Italian combination heel.
Yep.
And then shined up
straightforward.
With,
This one's pretty easy.
And shined up with Saphir products at the end. We can do it.
While he's opening that up, we have had a few come in that there's no info on it. So if you are going to shoot us one, make sure that you've got your name, like a return address with your name, because there's some here that we don't even know who they belong to. They just ship them to us.
Alrighty, so on this pair, we've got two pairs of shoes in here. Johnston and Murphy. And the others, nice. These are like brand new Aldens. Very nice. Kind of show you. I like the bottoms of those.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. So he wants to have Triumph toe plates put on a pair, and the other pair we are going to put the Lulu toe plates. So awesome.
Very cool. Coming from New Mexico. These are always nice when we get a little note in here, a little personal touch. Appreciate it. All right. Got some Magnanis.
Nice.
They've had half sole on them before. These things are well loved.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some Martin Gebruder leather and Vibram Hill. Get some red stitching on the bottom and some new stack blocks. Very cool.
All right, this one is coming to us from New Jersey. All right, another pair of
1,000 miles.
Wolverine 1,000 miles. All right. So it looks like these are all original, the original soles and all.
Yeah, you
and
like these things.
this gentleman wants us to do JR soles on them, the JR Vibram top lifts, stacked blocks, which again I think those are stacked. We'll double check. He wants to go with a dark brown sole, which is kind of what's on there now. He wants to add red stitching along the bottom. I think that'll be a really cool contrast with that boot. And he says, I'm really tall, so please keep the heel the same as the original. All right, I definitely think we can do that for you.
This is a repeat. I know this name. This is coming from New York. Yeah, you start getting to where you recognize some names that people send you half the shoes in there.
Yeah, we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Again, there's some of you guys that we see repeat business of yours coming in. So
right.
again, we appreciate it.
Soles included. All right, so
Where's this one coming from?
New York.
New York.
We got some Chippewas. They got some Vibram V-treads on them right now, and a Vibram one piece. And we're gonna put these Christies. I don't get to see them in this color very often.
Yeah,
I like
it'll,
this.
it'll definitely be a contrast.
Yeah,
So-
it'll be all pop. So very cool.
Another thing, guys, we have different resole packages on our website, but if there's something else that you want on your shoes or boots that is not on our website, a lot of times we can definitely accommodate that. So just, give us a call or email us or whatever, and we'll definitely try to work with you. All right, these are coming from Dallas, Texas. All right, got another 2 pairs of shoes here. A pair of Allen Edmond leads. Those feel like they are shell
They are.
cordovan. Yeah, a lot of times the leads are shell cordovan. Nice.
I talked to the gentleman on the phone about these.
And a pair of To Boot New Yorks. Nice. I'll have to go back and double check on these in our system, but I think he wants the JR leather soles, a natural finish with white threading on the bottom, and the JR Vibram combo stacked heels, and then finished off with Saphir. So
These he just included because, like I said, I talked to the gentleman on the phone, and he just they were a little bit of discomfort when he was wearing them. Kind of felt kind of odd, and he wanted us to take a look at them and get his opinion. And if there's something we can do, then we'll do it. If not, then we'll ship them back when the others go. So
cool. All right, one last package. And we have a lot more in the back, but we don't want to bore you guys, so we're just throwing a few at you today. All right, and the last one is from California. Awesome. Another pair of Allen Edmonds, the Independence Collection. I always like these. You don't see them very often, but they're pretty cool because the Independence Collection, if you aren't aware, and we're actually going to be doing something coming up at the local Allen Edmonds here shortly. and we'll go into more detail on that. But yeah, the Independence collection is a little different, just the way they design things. Some of the material is a little bit higher quality, or should I say a step above just their standard shoes. So anyway, he wants to have taupey black sole protectors put on these. Here's another pair of shell Cordovan Allen Edmonds, brand new with the JR soles on there. And again, he wants to have sole protectors on these as well. So 2 pairs of really nice Allen Edmonds for sole protectors. Well, guys and ladies and gents, should I say, we've started getting a lot more female viewers and subscribers, so a big thank you to you as well. These videos definitely pertain to both ladies and gentlemen. But again, we hope you enjoyed this. If you really like this, then definitely give us a thumbs up and let us know down in the comment section. Again, if you do like it, we'd love to start doing these more often. Just think it's kind of fun to see, again, what you all are sending to us, and again, share with each of you other brands of shoes that folks are buying that you may not be aware of, and as well, what we can do to your shoes that you may not be aware of. So anyways, again, like this channel, give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment down below if you like this, and until next time, ladies and gents, have a great day.